Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have this stock named Indiamart Intermesh. Well, I think this stock currently looks to be starting its impulsive move on the higher side, and the stock started its usual impulsive rally right from the uh, end of 2019, and we made this corrective low in 2020, and the same magnitude of low was made here around the levels of 3340. So I would think that the rally which started right from the levels of what's the low is around 551, ended over this high of around 4855. So it's not very hard for us to understand. It's a no-brainer that when you see such a correction of such large magnitude, wherein the stock corrects from 4800 levels to almost 2000 levels, you start to assume that an impulsive move of higher degree would have ended, and that would have resulted into subsequent correction. And I am of the view currently that this correction is particularly, I think, over, and we might start to see a move on the higher side. And for that, I think that we are currently in this impulsive move, and we did this correction, and now it's possible to say that we have started a clear cut new impulsive move from the lows of 1838. So when I say that we did a move from 1838, I mean that we did a smaller part of this entire uh, expected rally from 1838 to the high of 3300, and we are now somewhere in between correcting. So now my view on the stock is I'm currently bullish from here, and I would expect the stock to start a bullish move from here on. And what I think is probably, if we are if our assumption that the bullish move, the impulsive move on the higher side has started, the stock should go above 3300. That is my assumption. And if the stock starts to cross above 3300, I would start to believe that we are going to do a rise of the same magnitude as we did from 500 to 4800 levels. If that is true, then we are going to see the rise which is equivalent to the same move. In terms of logarithmic scale, that level comes around, I would have to use trading view to show you the same chart. So if I measure the whole move and add it up to the lows of 1838, then I come to a target that is somewhere around 16,000, 17,000 levels. So you are currently at 2500, or even if you start to buy right now and then you average it up on the higher side, let's say you get it around 3000 levels. That's very conservative approach, that you'll get a 2600 stock at 3000. But for the sake of example, let's just assume that you get this stock at 3000 levels, and then let's extend this target to around 16,000 to 18,000 zone. Then you get a target which is somewhat 6 times 7 times higher from the current market price. And the current market cap of this company is around 15,000, 16,000 crore. And what I would see is since the start of this rally and towards the end of on the stock, I haven't bought this stock yet. I'll buy it tomorrow, and I'll buy the stock further once it starts to go above 3300 levels. And then 4800 level is the final confirmation. It's the god's confirmation that this stock is not going to go below 1800 levels. So the chances of it going below 1800 levels after crossing 4800 levels is just 2% or 1%. Well, that was it for the stock. The stock currently trades at the counter for 2600 rupees. I really see the stock going higher towards 13,000, 16,000, 18,000 levels. Well, that was it for the video. Thank you.